Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Professor Dr. Javed Iqbal Farooqi, consultant gastroenterologist and hepatologist in Life Care Hospital, Peshawar. It's my great pleasure to share that I have been invited as faculty at the Midsummer Conference of the Pakistan Society of Physicians, which will be held on the 19th and 20th June in Abbottabad. On this occasion, I will be delivering a talk titled Update on Hepatitis B and C Management, what the internists can manage, and when to refer. Hepatitis B and Hepatitis C continue to be major public health challenges in Pakistan. With the availability of highly effective antiviral therapies, evolving treatment guidelines, and increasing emphasis on early diagnosis and prevention of liver-related complications, it has become essential for internists and physicians to remain updated regarding the practical management of these patients. During my lecture, we will focus on several important clinical questions that physicians encounter in everyday practice. Which patients with hepatitis B require treatment and which can be monitored? What are the latest recommendations regarding hepatitis C diagnosis and treatment? How should physicians assess liver fibrosis and disease severity? Which patients can be safely managed by internists? When should referral to a hepatologist or gastroenterologist be considered? How can we identify patients at risk of cirrhosis, liver failure, or hepatocellular carcinoma at an earlier stage? This session will be highly practical, evidence-based, and focused on real-world clinical decision-making relevant to physicians practicing in Pakistan. I would like to warmly invite all consultants, specialists, postgraduate trainees, medical officers, and house officers to join us at this important scientific meeting. The conference offers an excellent opportunity to update our knowledge, exchange experiences with colleagues, and discuss the latest advances in internal medicine and its subspecialties. I look forward to meeting you all in Abbottabad on 19th and 20th of June. Thank you very much.